Hi everyone, I'm Takashi Furuya, a 3D Mandala artist. Today, I'm showing you how to make my sparkling glasses.
I applied this metal and glass primer. This creates the base. For surfaces like metal and glass, applying a primer increases the addition rate. After that, I glue them with a gel medium. This is an acrylic paint build-up agent, but it can also be used as an important adhesive. For paper, glue is good, but for solid things like this, I think a medium is better. It starts out pure white, but when it hardens, it becomes transparent. Both are Holbein, so I think they go well together.
ちなみにこれは蝶々の形をしたビーズです。
I make sure the center butterfly faces upward.
このフラワービーズの
I place the butterfly on this flower
蝶々
bead.
です。
Finally, I'll add another butterfly.
できます。どうした面
I'll attach the bottom and sides.
いきます。
I'll keep it simple. Yes, this time I'll use jewelry stickers. Although the stickers come with a adhesive, it's weak, so I'll reinforce it with gel. After reinforcing it with gel, I'll apply the stickers. I'll keep it simple.
やります。
Oh, now I've finished placing the beads on the front. Next, I want to add some finishing touches to the sides and work on them a bit more. Now, I'm going to start coloring it with Glass Deco's Super Sparkle Paint.
これ乾くと
It's a
透明な中
beautiful
に
paint that
黄色い
tries
透明な
transparent
紙の中に
and has glitter painted in yellow tinted resin.
が入っている非常に
I
綺麗な
plan to apply it in a flowing style
に
with
流れ
pink
るような
and
感じ
green
で
as the main
着色した
colors.
いと思います。
What do you think?
ぐるっと とりあえず正面の
If I overdo the decorations, it could start looking dull.
ました
So I'll keep it balanced like this.
サイドをもう少し
I've added quite a few elements, but since the shape is symmetrical, it doesn't feel unnatural. Now I'll wait for it to dry. Would you like to give it a try? They're not just any glasses. They'll change the way you see the world. With this, your amazing future will become a beautiful mandala. Thank you for watching the video. On this channel, I share the Takashi's mandala art to bring more joy and beauty into your life. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Bye.